Koneksinya bagus, Nek.
Quite
So we have started the recording now, and joining me is Annette. She's our translator, and she's outside of Jakarta. And we have Mr. Aprianto, and Mr. Sugi is going to be joining Mr. Aprianto shortly. Will you both be on camera?
Yep.
Aprianto and Sugi will be in front of camera, he said.
Okay, so anyway, Mr. Sugi has been sent a list of questions, and I'm going to let him talk when he's here. He's not here yet, or at least I haven't seen him on camera.
Yes. Not yet, I think.
So we will have further greetings when Mr. Sugi appears. And you call him Papa Sugi, just like you call me Papa Ron.
Okay. Ron and
Papa Sugi, Papa Sugi.
So Papa is a very nice, affectionate term in Indonesia, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Now,
Now, what do you call Mama? Do you say Mama Annette?
Mama, yeah. We
Mama,
call
okay.
Mama too. Yeah. Or Ibu.
Ibu?
People usually, yes, Ibu or Mama.
Ibu or Mama.
Yeah.
Well, you even have pizza places called Papa Ron's.
Yes, that's right. You know.
Here in the United States, we have one called Papa John's.
Papa John's.
Pizza place.
Every time I saw it, I think about you.
Well, thank you.
Hey,
Hello,
that's
Papa
Ron.
Papa Sugi is ready.
Oh.
Hello, Papa Sugi. How are you?
Fine, baik.
It's so good to see you. Thank you for being willing to have a conversation and to answer the few questions I sent.
Ya, terima kasih juga saya.
Thank you. So,
Thank you too.
go ahead with question number 1, which was people want to know who you are. Who is Mr. Sugi? How would you like people to see you?
Oke. Ya, pertanyaan pertama ya, Pak. Ini pertanyaannya, orang-orang ingin tahu siapakah Anda, siapakah Bapak Sugi. Anda ingin orang-orang berpendapat apa tentang Bapak? Itu pertanyaan pertama, Pak.
Aku ya aku.
I am is who I am.
Oh, that's God.
Pendapat apapun.
I am that I am.
Gimana, Pak?
Siapapun, orang manapun boleh berpendapat apapun tentang aku.
Okay. Everybody can have their own opinion about me.
Seperti mereka boleh berpendapat tentang Tuhannya.
It seems like all people, they can have their opinion about their God.
Yes.
Dari zaman ke zaman, dari waktu ke waktu.
From time to time, from decade to decade.
Dulu juga banyak yang tidak percaya Yesus.
Many people don't understand or don't know about Jesus.
Kenapa Yesus dipasung?
But why Jesus being crossed?
Juga banyak yang tidak percaya tentang Muhammad.
Also, many people don't believe in Muhammad.
Sehingga Muhammad pun harus hijrah.
So Muhammad also have to be trapped.
Tapi siapa dulu sekarang bersuara tentang agama tapi tidak bertuhan?
Maaf Pak, gimana Pak?
Tapi siapakah yang dulu memburu itu dan sekarang berlomba-lomba berbicara atas nama agama tapi mereka tidak bertuhan?
Oh, but the people from the past are they trying to in a competition to try to tell about about God, while they don't have religion.
Sekarang saatnya.
Now is the time.
Siapa yang dipercaya Tuhan di belahan bumi ini? Siapa para orang tua yang memang memegang amanat-amanat itu? Dia akan mengerti karena kedalaman hati dan kematangan cara berpikirnya.
Okay. Who's the one that God believe to? Who is all the people that giving the trust to do what God's plan?
Karena sekarang,
because now,
saatnya Tuhan membuktikan kekuasaannya.
It is time that God showing His power.
Apakah Ia benar menguasai apa yang di langit dan yang di bumi?
Is it true that He conquer all that help in the sky and on earth?
Apakah Tuhan hanya digunakan sebagai kedok para makhluk yang belum mengerti sesungguhnya?
Or is it God only used by people that having mask that they are trying to fool other people that this certain of people know about God?
Yeah.
Itu mengapa
Maaf Pak, gimana Pak?
Itu mengapa sekarang bahwa sistem perbudakan secara umum dan sistem perbudakan individu harus dimusnahkan.
Yeah, that is why all the slavery have to be gone.
Yes.
Untuk itu aku ada.
That is how I exist.
Thank you, Mr. Sugi, because all of us that have open hearts want the slavery to be ended.
Ya, makasih Pak Sugi. Kita semua yang punya hati pasti menginginkan perbudakan itu diakhiri ya, Pak.
Ya, perbudakan itu bermacam-macam.
Yes, slavery got many types.
Yes.
Bukankah yang diterima sudah membuat kecelakaan banyak orang, termasuk gereja?
Maaf Pak, suaranya putus-putus Pak.
Bukan selama ini yang mereka percaya diterima telah banyak membuat luka di hati orang?
Aren't there that many people who was believed to do things great, but they are usually the ones that giving heartache to the people who trust them.
Yes.
Dan puncaknya krisis global.
So now the global crisis is the
Climax.
what happens now, the climax.
Yes.
Yes. Are you ready to move on to question number 2?
Boleh ke pertanyaan nomor 2, Pak?
Silakan.
Yes.
How are you related to Mr. Sukarno?
Oke. Bagaimana hubungan Bapak dengan Pak Soekarno?
Hubungan saya dengan Soekarno
My
sama
relation,
laki-laki.
my relation to Mr. Soekarno, we both same male.
Make that more
Man.
clear, please.
Boleh dijelasin, Pak?
Ya, sama-sama mengemban amanat tunggal.
Yeah, we are same as we have the mandate to have the single mandate.
Saya bertugas menyelesaikan amanat itu.
I have my job is to complete the task, the mandate.
So, Mr. Sugi, are was not your father. Some videos have been put out that said that he was your father, and in a physical biological sense, that's not true. Is that correct?
Ada beberapa video yang bilang bahwa Pak Sugi ini anak bisnya Bapak Soekarno. Itu nggak benar kan ya Pak ya?
Anak apa?
Di beberapa video itu ada yang bilang kalau Pak Sugi anaknya Pak Soekarno. Anak biologi.
Justru saya juga lagi bertanya. Saya sebenarnya siapa? Saya anak siapa?
Yeah, that is why in fact I also now wondering who am I? Who is my father? Who is my mother?
Ya, kalau ada yang bisa itu malah saya berterima kasih.
So whoever can tell me that, I'll be very thankful.
Mr. Sugi, it's my understanding that you and Mr. Sukarno are connected spiritually with the same mission for humanity. Would that be a fair assessment?
Kalau menurut pendapat saya, Pak Sugi dan Pak Soekarno ini memiliki tugas yang sama. Apakah itu betul? Pemikiran saya?
Sama, tapi ada sedikit perbedaan. Karena perbedaannya, saya tidak pernah kenal beliau secara pribadi.
Secara apa, Pak?
Tidak pernah bertemu secara dohir.
Oh ya, yes, we have the same mission, but the difference is I never met him in physical.
Some have
membawa. Ya, saya hanya membawa perjanjian dengan Tuhan itu sendiri.
I only bring isi bumi ya Pak ya?
Ya.
Oh ya, I only bring God's message to fix in what's on earth, what's happening on earth.
A very important mission.
Ya, misi yang sangat penting ya Pak.
Ya.
How did you come to be M1 or in control of the collateral accounts in the World Trust? That's question number 3.
Pertanyaan nomor 3, Pak. Bagaimana Bapak bisa menjadi M1 yang mengontrol account kolateral sebagai World Trust?
Gampang saja.
Very simple.
Sebab ada Tuhan di situ.
Because there is God in it.
Because M1. Ya.
Ya, because M1
itu perjanjiannya antara makhluk dan Tuhannya.
M1 is a agreement between the creature and the God.
Antara sebuah sistem manusia
between human system
yang dibarengi dengan sistem teknologi
that is fulfilled by a technology system
adalah sebanding dengan teknologi alam atau gaib itu.
It is compared to what the nature's technology have the same comparison with the nature technology.
Hal-hal yang sulit diterima akal manusia,
things that are difficult to understand by humans,
tapi mudah bagi yang dipercaya karena Tuhannya.
But it is very simple for people who are trust by God, by their God.
Kenapa dibutuhkan spiritual?
Why needs a spiritual?
Lebih tinggi dan paling tinggi.
It is higher and the highest.
Dan kenapa ada with spiritual boy of love?
And why there is a white spiritual boy
of Lao.
of Lao?
Lao,
Karena
like
itu
Laos or love?
Oh,
Lao,
Uh,
hukum.
oh, law.
Law. Okay.
Yes, law.
Ya. Jadi dari nama dengan nama tanpa nama.
From the name, with name, and without name.
Dengan name code
With the name code
is username
is username
in all location.
in all location.
Karena Maha menguasai. Itulah.
Bagaimana
jawaban.
Pak?
Kenapa Tuhan menguasai sisi bumi? Itulah jawabannya.
So why God is a conqueror? What's on earth? The answer.
Dan M1
And M1
adalah authorized signing bank
is,
authorized signing bank instruction.
is
Authorization ya. Authorization bank for direct debit for all global account, escrow account under Exhibit AB to protect the earth, to protect the system, corruption or piracy. If there is no responsibility to the earth and to all the people, principle to the God.
I understood
Siapa
some
pun-
of that in that, but you can.
yes. Yeah, that's already
Terus?
in English. Yeah, it's a code.
Terus
Okay. Next question.
What is your vision for the world?
Oke, yang pertanyaan nomor 4, Pak. Bagaimana
Ya.
visi Anda terhadap dunia ini?
dunia ini akan aku jadikan mulia tanpa peperangan. Karena itu misi semua orang hidup dan kenapa mereka hidup diciptakan di alam bumi.
I will make this world divine by there will be no war, and so people can live side by side in peace, because that is what the world is for.
Yes.
Sebagai wujud pertanggungjawaban Adam Hawa, kenapa semuanya ikut ada di dalam alam bumi?
Yeah, as a showing that for Adam and Eve, that is who ever live in this world,
Untuk merubah hati manusia,
to change women, to change humans' heart,
untuk hidup martabat, untuk
to
hidup
live with,
martabat,
to live with dignity,
untuk mengerti bahwa
to understand.
Tuhan sungguh menghendaki
That God really want it.
Wants us to live in peace with each other. That's not a unique message, but the world hasn't gotten it yet. Annette?
Ya, Pak.
Oh, there you are. You froze
Ya,
up for a
itu
second.
untuk apa? Dunia mendapatkan, oh ya, sorry. Untuk dunia mendapatkan kehidupan yang damai, itu bukan ini ya Pak, bukan pesan yang unik, tapi orang-orang di dunia belum pada semuanya ngerti ya Pak ya katanya.
Yang unik itu umatnya.
The unique one is the people.
Yang unik itu manusianya.
The unique is the
Ya.
human.
Come on, internet, clear up.
Yes.
Sebab mereka lupa bahwa Tuhan menciptakan 4
The
makhluk.
unique one is because they forgot that God creates 4 creatures.
Jin, iblis, malaikat, dan manusia itu satu saudara. Kenapa saling bermusuhan?
Genie, demon, human, and angels. They are brothers and sisters. So why they are fighting each other?
Bukankah itu yang menyebabkan kenapa kalian dibuang?
Dibuang apa Pak?
Bukankah itu yang menyebabkan kalian dibuang hidup di alam dunia?
Isn't it why you are being dumped to the world to live on earth?
Keluar dari surga.
To get outside from the heaven.
Your internet connection is a little bit off, Annette.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you and it's plain now. Your last answer, though, wasn't.
Oh, okay. So that is why that humans are being thrown out from heaven. Humans are living on this earth.
Okay, so we were thrown out of heaven. Is that what Mr. Sugi is saying?
Yes. Ya, kita dibuang dari surga itu ya Pak ya, yang Bapak bilang barusan. Yes.
Okay. I'm going to, well, yeah, I'll go ahead. Number 5 is, how would you like to see your plan unfold? How would you like to, go ahead, just with that. That's enough on that. Thank you.
Okay. Yes. Pertanyaan nomor 5, dengan cara bagaimanakah Bapak ingin melihat rencana Bapak terbuka?
Gimana?
Nomor 5, dengan cara bagaimanakah Bapak ingin melihat rencana Bapak terbuka?
Dengan apa?
Dengan cara bagaimanakah ya?
Dengan Tuhan, dengan caraku.
Oh, with my way.
And your way is to bring peace to everybody and prosperity to the whole world?
Dan apakah cara Bapak untuk membawa damai di seluruh dunia, untuk orang-orang di seluruh dunia?
Ya.
Yes.
Bagaimana kalau AC itu aku buat panas atau dingin? Bukankah akan merasakan AC yang dingin yang sama ketika alam ini juga dibuat dingin? Karena itu perjanjian.
How do you feel the hot and the cold? Isn't it you feel the same when you feeling the air conditioner is the same cold with the cold weather? Because it is part of the agreement.
He's asking me how I feel about the difference between the hot and the cold, or how I feel it. Am I understanding correctly, Annette?
Apakah Bapak berkenan bagaimana dia merasakan panas dan dingin? Apakah betul itu Bapak menanyakan kepadanya? Betul, maksudnya pemahamannya dia seperti itu, apakah betul?
Akan sama, karena kadar manusia sama.
It is the
Akal
same
manusia serupa.
because human minds are similar.
Semua hidup dari udara yang sama.
Everybody live from the same air.
Bagaimana kalau udara itu mengalir virus surga?
How if the air flow the virus of heaven?
Apakah setiap manusia akan menghirup angin yang berbeda?
Aren't every human
Matahari sama.
will breathe from the same air and underneath the same sun?
Sedangkan matahari masihlah sama.
While the sun is still the same.
Let's get into some
Jika itu diwujudkan dalam satu bentuk human obligation, apakah itu tidak juga akan terasa berbeda?
If it's being manifestation into a human obligation, isn't it will feel the same?
Ya. Itu cara untuk mengangkat dari bawah sampai ke atas.
So it is one of the way to lift up from below to the surface.
Yeah, God is lifting up everything right now, right?
Ya, Tuhan sedang mengangkat semuanya ya Pak sekarang, betul kan?
Ya, ya. Kenapa dari tadi malam baru diputuskan juga bahwa kerajaan langit bumi, kerajaan 5 benua, semua untuk sementara akan difokuskan di Laos.
That is why last night also giving a decision that all the kingdom and all the kings will be centered in Laos.
Speaking of Laos, and this isn't on the question thing, a plane crashed today, or possibly yesterday, killing a bunch of the Laotian government officials. Does that have anything to do with what's happening with Laos and Swiss Indo?
Berhubungan kecelakaan pesawat di Laos yang menyebabkan petugas pemerintahan Laos, apakah ada hubungannya dengan perjanjian Laos dengan Swiss Indo?
Gimana?
Dengan adanya, ya, apakah ada kaitannya dengan perjanjian Laos dan Swiss Indo?
Ya, semuanya itu.
Maaf Pak, putus-putus Pak.
Ya, semuanya itu ada efek pada global.
Yes, there are having effect for globally.
Semua rencana Tuhan.
All is the God's plan.
Sehingga manusia apa yang ada di bumi ini terfokus kejadian itu.
Maaf Pak, putus-putus. Sehingga
manusia, semua yang di alam bumi terfokus dengan kejadian itu.
Oh ya, because so what happens on the earth is focusing on that matter.
Ketika sama down itu juga terjadi di Amerika.
It is also the same what's happening in America.
Itu untuk menyadarkan para pemimpin-pemimpin di level nasional. Itu untuk menyadarkan para pemimpin di level nasional.
To make all the national leaders to
Diulang, Net.
Annette, you're breaking up. It's looking like her internet connection froze.
I cannot hear clearly.
There
Yes,
she
I think
is.
so.
Her picture is
Hello?
frozen. Hello, there you are again.
Yes. Okay.
So what
Can you
about
hear
the
me?
national? He was saying something about national was part of it.
Oh ya, Pak Sugi, tadi soal pemimpin nasional berhubungan dengan pemimpin nasional di Amerika gitu ya, Pak?
Semua
Maaf Pak, putus-putus Pak. Sorry, the
semuanya.
connection. Yeah. So all of have connection.
All of us have connections.
Ya,
It's all connected. We know that everything is connected. Yes.
Yes.
Let me ask you about what are
Yeah.
some of the things that can be done to resolve the release of the payments 1 through 11. We know that the signing was on March 11th in Super CMAR, but yet the payments have not been released yet. What are some of the things we can do to get the payments released to the people of the world?
Hal-hal apa saja yang harus diselesaikan sebelum pembayaran 1 sampai 11 bisa secara nyata disalurkan, Pak? Karena kita sudah tahu bahwa waktu tanggal 11 Maret kemarin sudah ditandatangani
ya,
perjanjiannya, tapi
Ya.
masih ada yang perlu diselesaikan.
ya.
Tapi belum disalurkan dengan hal-hal yang perlu diselesaikan.
Pertama, pada tanggal 5 bulan 5 kemarin,
First of all, at May 5th,
pajak harus dibayarkan kepada IS. Dan itu saya laksanakan dari seluruh sertifikat share 1 juta triliun.
had to pay tax to IRS for 1 million trillion.
1
Itu
million
saya-
trillion?
Ya, itu saya bagi ke dalam 1000 payment voucher.
That's all of it. I divided into thousands of vouchers.
Itu tugas M1
Thousands.
per 1000 voucher tadi, per 1 voucher itu
So-
bernilai 1000 triliun US dollar sebagai transaksi untuk sirkulasi awal.
For one voucher, have value of 1,000 trillion dollars.
Wow.
Dengan pajak 1% net.
With the tax 1% net.
10 US dollar saya sudah kirimkan kepada IRS.
Maaf Pak, 10 apa Pak?
10 triliun US dollar untuk pajak payment voucher pertama per tanggal 5 bulan 5.
The first
Department of the Treasury.
The first voucher is 10 trillion dollars, already sent it to IRS as a payment for tax. Already sent it.
Mr. Sugi, I have a question about that. I mean, paying anything to the IRS. I see the IRS as a criminal organization. If we pay money to the IRS, give them anything, we don't disempower the people that have been enslaving the world. I mean, help me here. I'm confused why we would be giving anything from the collateral accounts to the IRS.
Saya agak bingung di sini, Pak. Ini kita kalau bayar ke IRS itu kan berarti sama aja membayar orang yang sudah melakukan kriminal bertahun-tahun. Kenapa kita harus memberikan bagian dari kolateral ini kepada orang-orang kriminal itu?
Itulah kebijakan saya.
That is my policy.
Bahwa semua manusia di bawah grand design.
That all humans are under grand design.
Krisis global under grand design.
Global crisis is under grand design.
Itulah perjanjian karena Tuhan yang lalu.
Hello.
Yeah. This is
We lost Annette, Papa.
For the previous. Hello. Yes.
Oh,
Hello.
you're back.
Me? Okay. Right.
ya,
Hello. Can you hear me?
I
Yeah.
can hear you, Annette.
perlu di
Oke.
Net,
Ya, ini ada delay nih Pak soalnya.
bahwa M1
Yang
bahwa saya selaku US taxpayer IRS itu ya saya. Jadi saya bertanggung jawab tentang IRS juga di bawah otorai saya.
as a
Hanya
US,
berdiri-
while they are under my authorization. Ya Pak.
Ya. Jadi semuanya itu juga desain, grand design. Ini
Because all of
menghindari,
it is design.
ya, itu untuk menunjukkan bahwa kita menghormati atas apapun yang sudah ada di muka bumi ini. Karena semuanya itu mereka juga di dalam ketidaktahuan.
It is showing what's on earth because they also in unknowing place.
Owner dan staff berbeda. Karena ini
Owner
tahu
and staff
owner.
is different.
Country ownership bertanggung jawab tentang apapun yang terjadi di seluruh lini organisasi maupun corporate dan institusi.
Because country owner is responsible for the constitution and for the konstitusi dan
Corporate.
apa ya Pak? And corporate.
Responsible for the Constitution and corporate.
Ya,
Bertanggung jawab pada konstitusi dan corporate ya Pak?
ya.
Yes.
Now, when you say corporate, are you talking about the corporations, as I understood the OPPT documents, foreclosed on all the corporations for conducting human slavery?
Ya,
Apakah kalau Bapak bilang corporate itu maksudnya corporate yang sama yang ada disebut oleh OPPT itu yang sudah membuat perbudakan bagi manusia-manusia?
ya,
Yes.
ya. Karena
Yes.
mereka menggunakan mata uang yang sama.
Because they use the same currency.
Okay.
Karena saya jawab dan saya kasih kepada OPPT karena OPPT melaksanakan tugasnya dan saya menyelesaikan karena tugasnya.
While OPPT is doing their job already, and I am also completing my job. completing the job also.
Ya, itu yang disebut back to back up security.
That is what is called back to back up security.
Back to back what security?
Back to back up. Back to back up.
Up?
Yeah, back to back up.
Okay. So it's a backup security. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
Ya. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right, the delegates, what's the next step for the delegates? You're working with delegates from around the world in Swiss Indo, and the number has increased from what was initially 100 people to I don't know what the number is now. But how do you see that work with the delegates proceeding, and when do you see us starting to work again and actually taking a more active role in making changes in the world?
Ini berkenaan dengan pertanyaan nomor 7, Pak. Bagaimana Bapak melihat peran-peran para delegasi yang bekerja dengan Bapak di Swissindo? Apakah delegasi ini secara aktual sudah memulai pekerjaannya?
Itu berjalan sesuai kapasitas.
Okay, it's running with their own capacity.
Karena ada intelijensia.
Because there's an intelligence.
Dan semuanya di bawah gerakan Tuhan itu sendiri.
And all of it is under the God's movement.
Dan itu proses pembelajaran.
And it's a process of learning.
That's true.
Tuhan sedang menurunkan ilmu pengetahuannya melalui para delegasi itu.
God is giving the knowledge to the delegations.
Dan nama adalah keberanian.
Maaf Pak, gimana Pak?
Karena yang utama adalah keberanian.
The main thing is
Spiritual.
courage and spiritual. That is the main thing.
Itu untuk aplikasi di semua organisasi tepat pada saatnya.
That is for application in all organization in the meantime.
All right, you work with organizations like the Federal Reserve and the IRS that you've already mentioned. And that's a big concern for a lot of people because a lot of people see those as part of the problem, not part of the solution. How are we going to repurpose these so that the people gain the benefit? I know it's God's plan, but people want to have some answers on how we can actually do this.
Ya, ini berkenaan dengan pertanyaan nomor 8, Pak.
Ya.
Mengapa Bapak bekerja sama dengan organisasi-organisasi seperti Federal Reserve, contohnya, yang telah lama terlibat dalam perbudakan manusia dan pemerasan? Dia bilang dia tahu ini rencana Tuhan, tapi gimana caranya kalau kerjasamanya dengan organisasi yang seperti itu?
Minimal organisasi itu berpengalaman.
Minimum, the organization already have the experience.
Kalau itu salah, apa tidak boleh dibenarkan?
If it's wrong, can we correct them?
Jika itu bisa dibenarkan, kenapa tidak?
If we can fix them, why not?
Sehingga kita tidak perlu memutuskan apapun.
Saya dengar ada suara sembahyang ya Pak di luar sana ya.
Ya, sehingga kita tidak perlu bermusuhan dengan siapapun dan siapapun karena kita tidak pernah punya musuh.
So we don't have to create enemy with anyone else because we don't have enemy.
Itu akan memperkuat di mana kalian itu berdiri.
It will make stronger for where you stand. It will make stronger for where you stand.
It'll be
Karena
a
mereka
struggle,
pun tidak salah.
Stronger.
stronger from where we stand. Okay.
Ya.
Yes.
Mereka pun tidak salah sepenuhnya.
And they are not wrong entirely.
So we're repurposing we're repurposing everything. Everything is going to have a new purpose, a new directive.
Jadi kita semua akan memberikan tujuan yang baru, memberikan arahan yang baru, gitu Pak?
Ya.
Yes.
Kalau kita berbicara selaku parent, selaku orang tua, maka wajib meluruskan kalau itu salah.
If we talk as a parents, we will show them which way that is wrong.
Bukan meniadakan sudah ada, hanya karena sedikit kekurangannya.
Bagaimana Pak? Maaf.
Meniadakan yang sudah ada karena sedikit atas kekurangannya.
Apa sudah ada tadi Pak? Keputus.
Bukan meniadakan yang sudah ada karena ada kekurangannya.
It's not we are going to dismiss what is exists while it have a lack.
Karena itu agent.
Because it is also part of the agent.
Mereka itu agent.
They are agent.
Sesuatu yang baru kita buat.
Something that's what we are making.
Adalah mewujudkan kerajaan langit bumi di bumi ini.
It's trying to create a kingdom of sky and earth.
Dan 5 benua.
And
Itu
for
yang
the
belum
5 continents. That is what have not exist until now.
Itu tugas kita utamanya.
That is our job, the main job.
Mr. Sugi, what is the most important message you could give to the people of the world?
Untuk pertanyaan nomor 9, Pak, apa informasi yang penting yang Bapak ingin orang-orang di seluruh dunia tahu?
Informasi yang penting.
The important message.
Tuhan sedang melakukan perbuatannya.
Is God is doing His plan.
Melalui the United Kingdom of God's Sky dan the Kingdom Lingkacala of the Big Five Continent. Itu sebagai bukti kekuasaan Tuhan di alam bumi, yaitu kekaisaran.
Through the UN. God is doing His plan through the kingdom of UNGSE.
Yeah. GSE is God Sky Earth, for those that don't know.
Yes, and the Lingachala kingdom for 5 continents.
Right.
Yes.
Problem saya, Anet saja belum mengenal the United Kingdom of God's Sky Earth and the Lingachala of the Big Five Continent. Lupa. Itu problem. Ketika orang yang dekat dengan saya lupa satu kalimat itu saja, ya, sama dengan yang di bumi ini juga lupa kepada Tuhannya.
Okay. He was saying my problem is Annette, which is me, is forget about the Neo United Kingdom
Of God's Sky Earth.
Of God's Sky Earth. The person who is near to Papa Sugi is already forgot that Neo, United Kingdom of God, Sky, Earth. What about the people outside, people of the world? They also forget about it.
Karena itu untuk protection.
Because it is for protection.
Payment 1 to 11.
Payment 1 to 11. Neo United Kingdom.
The protection global account.
To protection of the global account.
Karena untuk itu akan diciptakan.
Because for that account is create.
And ready.
And ready.
Well, there's a lot of people waiting and a lot of people wondering when it's all going to happen, when we're going to be able to start seeing some of the results. Some of us that are more connected spiritually can feel certain things happening, but there's an awful lot of people in the world that they want to see something tangible that makes a difference. And that's the challenge that we're all up against. And I know you know that, Mr. Sugi, and you too, Annette.
Yes. Ya, untuk orang-orang yang secara spiritual, fokus secara spiritual, mereka bisa merasakan ada sesuatu perubahan yang terjadi di dunia ini. Tapi untuk kelompok orang yang lainnya, seperti mereka tuh ingin melihat sesuatu yang lebih nyata yang terjadi, apa yang sedang terjadi sekarang ini. Itulah tantangan. Oh, Bapak said it's easy.
Ya. Dan itu mudah yang itu. Yang sulit itu ketika terjadi jealous.
That one is easy. The difficult one is if jealousy happens.
Itu penyakit manusia.
That is human's disease.
Dan itu yang sedang saya obati.
And that, apa Pak? Bagaimana Pak?
Itu yang sedang saya obati.
That is why I'm trying to cure.
Yeah.
Human
Me
jealousy.
too.
Saya juga Pak, katanya.
Ya, payment 1 to 11, human obligation prinsipnya mengobati hati 9 unsur penyakit di hati manusia yang bersumber kepada jealous.
Yeah, human obligation. Payment 1 to 11 is basically to cure the basic 9 human disease.
Membangun karakter building kepada para pemimpin-pemimpin di level nasional.
While it's
Untuk membangun karakter building.
To build the character building for the national leaders.
Sebab yang terjadi selama ini korupsi.
Because what happened all this long is corruption.
Kenapa seperti itu?
Why is that? What happens like that?
Karena mereka tidak punya.
Because they don't have.
Untuk tidak korupsi, karena aku punya, aku berikan.
So there will be no corruption. So because I have, that's why I give.
Karena waktunya.
Because the time.
Karena itulah perintah Tuhan.
Because that is the God's command.
Untuk menyelamatkan bumi seisinya.
To save all the world.
Mr. Sugi, I think on that note, we're going to end the recording, and I do thank you for taking time, although I want you to stay on. I'm going to close the recording, and I still want to talk with you a little bit, if you're willing, after we end the recording. I think we've done I didn't really look at the time when we began, but I think it's been about an hour, maybe a little over an hour. I'm not exactly sure what time we started, so I just want to say thank you very much, and you too, Annette, for taking the time to record this video and let people hear for themselves what the vision is and and as much as possible what the plan is, and to know that it's God's plan.
Yes.
So,
Iya Pak, ini rekamannya mau sepertinya akan berhenti, tapi Ron masih ingin berbicara banyak dengan Bapak. Tapi sebelum rekamannya berhenti, dia mau bilang terima kasih karena sudah menjawab sendiri bagaimana rencana-rencana untuk kedepannya, bahwa ini adalah rencana Tuhan supaya orang-orang semua mendengar sendiri.
Ya.
Gitu, Pak.
Kenapa ada pin Imam Mahdi? Itu jawabannya.
That is why there is a bank Imam Mahdi.
Pin.
Oh.
Pin Imam. Itu karena saya ada di sebuah negara yang dengan beragama Islam mayoritas.
That is because I'm in a country that majority Muslims.
Untuk menghindari ketika umat Islam ini disusupi.
Yeah, it's to put aside that for the Muslim people being some bad doing, try to ya Pak.
Itu sama kejadiannya seperti dulu para nabi, Nabi Isa, Nabi Muhammad, dan lain-lainnya, semuanya itu menentang.
Same what happens with the prophets earlier, while the Jesus, and then people try to against him. That is same like what happens now.
Yeah, it's the same
thing. Untuk umat Islam, karena saya hidup di sebuah negara dengan mayoritas umat Islam. Tapi kenapa sekarang itu berada dan bersama dengan Laos dengan mayoritas umat Buddha? Karena saya universal. Saya mengayomi semua agama. Saya membela semua kepentingan agama. Saya membela semua kepentingan negara-negara. Saya membela kepentingan umat, dan tidak sepun aku pernah merugikan hak-hak itu.
Yeah, right now I'm in a country of a Muslim country, so that is connected what I am doing now. But I'm also now gathering with the Lao, which is majority Buddhist, because I am universal and I respect all religions.
Yes. Dan ini bukan persoalan agama.
So this is not about religion.
No, right.
Persoalan Tuhan berkehendak.
It's about what God wants.
Dan aku tidak menolak.
And I not reject.
Right. Thank you, my friend. Namaste.
Okay, thank you.
Stay there.